This is Noah from Chicago, and I really love Legos. I've been playing with Legos as long as I can remember. And if you're really lucky like me, you might have the same problem I've had for a long time. Lots and lots of Legos, all piled up in big boxes. So my family and I thought, what if I could organize all my Legos really well, find the pieces for some of my sets, and then give away those sets to kids who would like to have them. So that's what this video is about. I'm going to explain the 4 steps we took to organize and donate some of my Legos. The 4 steps are, number 1, sort the Legos by shape and type. Number 2, collect the Legos for sets I want to donate. Number 3, pack the sets into boxes with the instructions. And number 4, donate the Lego sets. Now I'm going to walk through those steps. The first step is to sort the Legos. To do that, my parents bought 12 plastic containers, and my dad and I decided to organize them by shape. We used shapes so we could find pieces later for the sets. This helped us so much. The second step is to pick the Lego sets I wanted to donate. Then collect the Legos for each set. To help make this easy, all Lego sets list all the pieces in the back of the instructions. If you run into a piece you just can't find, then you can order that piece from Lego to complete that set. The third step is to pack the Legos into boxes with the instruction books. To do this, my parents ordered lots of small cardboard boxes from Amazon that work really well for small Lego sets. See the comments below for a link to the boxes we used. Once the Lego sets are all packed, the 4th step is to find a place to donate them. My mom asked other moms on Facebook for advice, and she learned about lots and lots of charities in Chicago that take used toys for donation. There are a couple of places in the comments if you're in Chicago. That's it! I feel really good about donating some of my Lego sets and really lucky that I had Lego sets that I could donate. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Bye!